Really simple, quick kale recipe. I got a bowl. I've got a lovely bit of oil in the bottom of it. A little bit extra around the edge. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this kale, I'm going to take off the stalks, I'm going to put the leaves in here, and I'm going to put the stalks to the side here. Okay, so these stalks here, still good to eat. So we're going to tear these up like so, using a twisting motion. And we're trying to break up the cell walls just a little bit. The reason being, this will just help us with our digestion of these slightly tougher bits. Then we're going to get a lovely pinch of salt. Put the salt over that. That'll help just break down those cells a little bit more. We'll do the same with this one here. A little bit less salt nonetheless. Throw it in there. Give these ones a lighter squeeze. You've got a little bit of oil in here, so you're just dressing the leaves very finely as well. Got a little bit of oil on both. We're going to add them together. We're going to get, this is Burren balsamic, black garlic balsamic. Unbelievably delicious. We'll get half a handful of walnuts in there. We'll throw this all together. We'll get it. Booyah.